And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this magnetic neck fan book light. Yes, this has lights here and magnetic pop-on fans to keep you cool while you're reading your book. Nothing to really show you around the box. It does mention it's USB-C with a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. And let's cut our seal here. Let's see what we're working with. Sit for the box. So we have packaging here to include nice little user's manual telling you all about the device. Nice. And even some instructions on do's and don'ts. Then they include little USB-C type charging cable to charge everything up. These are the two magnetic fans. They just got little magnets on them that'll clip on and keep you cool. I think that's pretty darn amazing. And then that's it for this. This is the neck fan. So USB-C port is here on the back, and you even have a little charging indicator. And then that's where these fans would just easily, they're labeled like that's the right one, so it would go on like that, clips right into place. Same for the left here. And then you got some buttons here. So you got a button on this side as well as this side, so it looks like you can independently control the light or the fan. Oh, pretty nice. Put the other fan on. This actually puts out some air. Another level there. Oh, so the buttons are on each side, but they control both of them. So like when you hit the light button, the lights come on both. And when you hit the fan button, both fans speed up and slow down. So there's like low, this is low, not too loud, medium, and high. It's a pretty nice item here. Love the bendableness of it, easily to fit around almost any size neck. The lights are just a nice added bonus. So that'll essentially do it for this magnetic neck fan book light. Thanks again to the company who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and demonstrate for you. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.